Hey everyone, Morgan here. So back in August of 2018, I made a video called ALTOIDS SMALLS Prepper Kit Ideas. And it was number 45 of my Prepping 365 series. And it was a bunch of ideas for Altoids, for using these ALTOIDS SMALLS. So in this video, I'm going to compile the entire list from that last video and this video down in the description box down below of all the ideas that were compiled by myself and people who left ideas in the comments. So this one is a compilation of people who left ideas in the comments, and now I'm going to show you some additional ideas of what you could use for the ALTOIDS SMALLS. Sewing kit. You could easily fit a couple needles, a little bit of thread. You know, this is a nice compact sewing kit here. Batteries. These are AAAs. There's 3. I could probably fit maybe a couple more. And then these are 2 AA. That pretty much that's the limit on that. Some change. This is $2 in quarters. You can easily fit, you know, as you can see, anything else. You can also put like a little bit of wax paper or some kind of felt or something on the inside so that it doesn't make a lot of noise. Fix and wax. I made this in a video after I had made the ALTOIDS SMALLS Prepper Kit Ideas video, and it fits perfectly in ALTOIDS SMALL. Just carry this fix and wax around. Strike Anywhere matches. It's nice to have the Strike Anywhere matches in here so that you don't have to put a striker up here. However, if you want, you can put a striker up here as well. Just glue it in there. Any type of striker. You can get separate strikers by themselves and just put it up there. Sort of nice ease of use. Ammunition. Again, this is one of those things where you could put some wax paper or felt or something so that it doesn't make a whole lot of noise. The almighty ALTOIDS small tin. There are a lot of ideas in addition to this. Remember, look in the description box down below for all of the ideas compiled from the last video, including this video. Thank you all so much for all of your ideas. And if you have any more, please leave them in the comments down below so that we can all be a little more informed about how we can reuse these ALTOIDS SMALLS. I really like these. They just fit so perfectly in most EDC bags and even your pocket. And no one would be any one the wiser, you know. The big Altoids are great for lots of things, but so are these. So anyway, thank you all so much for watching. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. Talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.